Hey guys, WCU WRX here. Just got home from work tonight and had a lovely box of Subi Speed goods on the porch. So what did I get here? I got one of those skirt lips, genuine JDM, made in Japan. So another unboxing video so you can guys see what comes with this. What is this exactly? This is that piece of plastic that goes below your OEM STI lip spoiler to help protect it from rubbing, scratches, whatever. And again, I'm doing this on one arm bandit here. So, I'm sure you saw that well enough, so there's the information on it. Now, I did have the option of doing either this or going with the OLM. I think the OLM was $72 or so, and this JDM one was just north of $100. I think it was like $101. But you know, when you get that car and you're in the honeymoon phase, nothing will do except for JDM parts. All right. So there's the instructions. If you guys can read that. If you do, good for you. Alright, now we're getting to the part where I can actually see what's going on here. Disclaimer. Pictures. I like pictures. Showing you how to install it. Okay, what else did we get? Got some mounting hardware. And let's see. This does feel like a hard rubber slash plastic, but it is flexible. Let me get across. Oops. Alright. So that's what it looks like. So obviously, the sticky portion sticks to your lip. And this part right here hangs down in front of the lip itself, and it is pretty flexible, so it should absorb some of the shock and some of the take the brunt of the impact if you should hit one of those parking curbs or if you come in on a parking lot. So alright, pretty happy. I guess at a later time I'll do a little install video, but just so you know, this is what you get when you buy a JDM lip skirt STI from Subi Speed. There's the part number. Alright, WCU WRX out.